Hi students, wish you all a very good morning. So in this video we are going to see abbreviations, acronyms and contractions. So as we have completed prose 5, let us see the book bag topics in the prose 5 in this video, right? So what is an abbreviation, what is an acronym and what is a contraction? So all the three are more or less something which is very easy to understand, right? So let us see what is abbreviation, acronym and contractions. So abbreviations and acronyms are shortened forms of words or phrases. An abbreviation is typically a shortened form of words used to represent the whole, such as doctor or professor, PROF. While an acronym contains a set of initial letters from a phrase that usually form another word, such as radar or scuba. Right, let us see. So abbreviation and acronyms are shortened forms of words or phrases. Okay, so abbreviation and acronym is a shortened form. Okay, it is the short form of the words or phrases. So why they have shortened is it will be easy for us to understand, and also it will be very easy for to recall. Okay, so an abbreviation is typically a shortened form of words used to represent the whole. So what is an abbreviation is, it is a shortened form of words which is used to represent the whole, such as DR or PROF. So what is DR? Doctor. And what is PROF? We will mention professor as PROF. Right. So at the same time, acronym contains a set of initial letters. Okay. So acronym contains a set of initial letters from a phrase that usually form another word. So acronyms forms another word. See, this is also shortened form. Abbreviation and acronym both are shortened form, but abbreviation eppadi irukuna, it will have set of letters. Idhula set of letters irukum, idhlayum set of letters irukum. But abbreviation cannot be pronounced as a separate word. For example, we can say DR. Okay, so but acronym can be pronounced as a separate word, like see RADAR, radar, SQUBA, scuba. So what is the expansion of radar? Radio detection and ranging. What is it? Radio detection and ranging. Okay, this is the expanded form of radar. What is scuba? Self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Okay, what is scuba? S for self-contained, U for underwater, SC for self-contained, U for underwater, B for breathing and A for apparatus. So the expansion of scuba is self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Okay, so now can you understand what is the difference between abbreviation and acronym is? Both are shortened forms. Abbreviation நம்ம word letters தான் spell பண்ண முடியும், but acronym can be pronounced as a separate word itself. See, for example, abbreviation CBI. Okay, CPU. Okay, so these are examples for abbreviations, whereas acronym radar, scuba, UNESCO, computer. Okay, computer, WHO, World Health Organization, we call it as WHO. Okay, so like this acronym can be pronounced as a separate word, whereas abbreviation we have to spell the individual letters. This is the difference between abbreviations and acronyms. Abbreviations and acronyms are often interchanged, yet the two are quite distinct. So quite distinct means it is both will be quite clear. It can be very easily understood. The main point of reference is that abbreviations are merely a series of letters while acronyms form new words. Okay, the main point of reference is that abbreviations are merely a series of letters. Okay, this is the difference between abbreviation and acronym. So abbreviation எப்படி இருக்கு, it will have just a series of continuous letters இருக்கும், whereas acronyms form new words like UNESCO, WHO, radar, scuba, what else, computer, etc. Okay, so like that you can we can read acronyms as a separate word. ISRO, SIM card will be calling SIM, laser, RAM, ROM. Okay, whereas CPU, CCTV, what is that, UAE. Okay, so MRI scan, MRI. Okay, adella ennadhu, it is an example for abbreviation. Next one, contraction. So what is a contraction is, it is also a shortened form. Okay, so we use contractions in everyday speech and informal writing. Contractions, which are sometimes called short forms, commonly combine a pronoun or noun and a verb, or a verb and not in a shorter form. So what is contraction? Contraction is also a short form. We use contractions in everyday speech. See, I am, we are. Okay, inga why we are using apostrophe means, so inga or apostrophe podrom appadina, we have to understand that a letter is missing there. Instead of a letter, we are using an apostrophe. Okay, so what is this? I am. What is this? We are. So we use contractions in everyday speech and informal writing. Okay, you know the difference between formal writing and informal writing. Contractions, which are sometimes called short forms. So sometimes we call contractions as short forms, commonly combine a pronoun. So what is a pronoun? Pronouns are used instead of a noun. So for example, he, she, it, we, they. So these are all pronouns or noun. You know what is a noun? Naming word and a verb. Verb is an action word. Okay, so how will be the contraction is? So contractions are also sometimes called as short forms. They commonly combine a pronoun or noun and a verb. So there is a combination irukum appadina, pronoun or noun and a verb, or a verb and not. Okay, so how this will be is, this will be in the shorter form. See, let us see the example so that you can clearly understand. Contractions with I, you, he, she, it, we and they. See, here apostrophe M means am. See this, you can understand easily. So they are using apostrophe and M, it is am. So இது எப்படி contracted form எழுதுவோம்னா, I am a student. Okay, apostrophe RE, are, you are, we are, they are. Apostrophe is and has. So இது எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? So where we will be using this is, this will be used for is and for has. He has or he is, she has or she is, it has or it is. Next one, apostrophe we. So this is have. You have, we have and they have. Next, apostrophe double L, will. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will. Okay, next apostrophe D for had and would. I had or I would, you had or you would, he had or he would, she had or she would, it had or it would, we had or we would, they had or they would. Can you understand? So this is contraction. So all the three, abbreviation, acronym and contraction. So all the three are shortened forms. Okay, let us go for the next. See, contractions with auxiliary verb and not. Okay, so inga paatha illaya. So contractions will be in two way. One is pronoun or noun and the verb. See, here you, See these examples. Here you are, we are, they are. You is a pronoun, are is a verb. We is a pronoun, are is a verb, they is a pronoun and are is a verb. Likewise, he has or she has, he is or she is. Here he is a pronoun, she is a pronoun and it is a pronoun. So all this is a combination of pronoun and a verb. So the next one is a verb and not. See contractions with auxiliary verb and not. See here the contractions for not is, contraction for not is N apostrophe T. Okay, so this is the contraction for not. Aren't, we are not, you are not, we aren't, you aren't. Can't, cannot, couldn't, could not, didn't, did not, I did not, they did not, you didn't. Okay, I didn't, they didn't, you didn't. Okay, so the contraction of not is N apostrophe T. So what is this combination is? This is the combination of verb and not. A verb and not. So this is the combination of pronoun and a verb. Okay, and the next one is the combination of verb and not. For example, are is a verb and not. Can is a verb and not. Could is an auxiliary verb and not. Did is a verb and not. Understand? So this is the contractions. I think you can understand what is the difference between abbreviation, acronym and contraction. So abbreviations will have series of letters. It cannot be pronounced as a separate word. So acronyms can be pronounced as a separate word. So contraction is also a short form. So abbreviation, acronym and contractions, all the three are short forms. See the exercise is given for you. Pick out the contractions from the lesson and expand them. So what you have to do is you have to pick all the contractions used in the lesson and you have to list it out along with the explanation. See, many contractions are given. For example, I am is given. So here you have to write I apostrophe M and here you have to write I am, expansion. Okay, so pick out all the contractions given in this lesson and write the expansions here. Do it yourself. Next one is they have given some more explanation for acronym and abbreviation. So acronym is a type of abbreviation where a new word is formed from the first letters of a series of words. Okay, so acronym is a type of abbreviation where a new word is formed from the first letters of a series of words. Say for example, RAM. Let us take the example RAM. So what is the expansion? Random, R for random, A for access and M for memory. Random access memory. So acronym is a type of abbreviation where a new word is formed from the first letter of a series of words. So random, access, memory. This is another series of words. Okay. So what is the first letter? R is picked here. Access A is picked here. Memory M is picked here. So this is pronounced as a new word RAM. Understand? So this is acronym. Then acronym is pronounced as a separate word. Okay, so acronym can be pronounced as a separate word like RAM, ROM, ISRO, laser, radar. Okay. All acronyms are abbreviations. So all the acronyms are abbreviations because the first letter is picked. Next one, abbreviation. So abbreviation refers to any shortened or contracted form of a word or phrase. So abbreviation refers to the shortened or contracted form of a word or phrase. Some abbreviations are not pronounced as new words. So actually in the acronym it came from abbreviation. So abbreviated form நம்ம ஒரு நியூ வேர்டாக ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது தான் அதுக்கு அக்ரானிம்னு ஒரு பேர் வச்சோம். ஓகே, ஸோ some abbreviations are not pronounced as new words. ஒரு சில abbreviations we cannot pronounce it as new word. அதெல்லாம் என்னன்னு சொல்லிடுறோம் அப்படின்னா அது நம்ம we are keeping it as abbreviation. Okay, but not every abbreviation is an acronym. எல்லா abbreviationும் acronym கிடையாது. Okay, all the so whichever we can pronounce as a new word, we call it as acronym. So whatever we cannot pronounce as a new word, அது just ஒரு series of letters மட்டும் இருக்கும்போது அது நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், we are calling it as abbreviation. Okay, see, some exercises are given. We can abbreviate the following. Titles before names. See, MR for Mr. So men க்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், Mr. and plural என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், Misters. MRS, Mistress for women. So for men we call Mr. and for plural, அதுவே plural நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், Misters. So Mrs. that is Mistress. PROF, Professors, Professor, and அதோட plural என்ன, PROFS. ST Saint and the plural is STS. REV, Reverend, மரியாதைக்குரியன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, ஸோ plural is REVS. Honorable, HON, honorable, plural hons, HONS. JR, junior engineer அப்படி சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, junior. PRES, president. இது PRESS, press கிடையாது, press is different from this, so this is president. Okay, words used with numbers. AM, ante-meridian. PM, post-meridian, afternoon session. AD, Anno Domini. BCE, before common era. CE, common era. So these refers to time periods. Next, names of a few objects. So VCR, video cassette recorder. CD, compact disc. DVD, digital video or versatile disc. GPS, global positioning system. VR, virtual reality. AR, augmented reality. TV, television. So இதில் ஏதாவது acronym இருக்கா? There are no acronym in this. All these are abbreviations. Next, common Latin terms. See, in the Latin terms we are using இல்லையா, so etc அப்படின்னா etc, நன்னு நிறைய, and so forth. etc is a Latin word and so forth தான் அதோட meaning. This is the English word. I.e, that is யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா, it est, this is Latin word, that is ங்கிறது தான் English. E.g, we will be using this for example. So exempli gratia. Okay, so exempli gratia is the Latin word. So for example is the English word. ETAL, et ali, it is a Latin word. In others is a English word. VS, versus. Okay. So the next one is terms of mathematical units. So you know this. So every one of you have read this, I hope. FT feet, FT square feet, kilogram, kilometer, millimeter, milliliter, degrees Fahrenheit, degrees Celsius. Names of familiar institutions. So here CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. IB, Intelligence Bureau. IMF, International Monetary Fund. UN, United Nations. EZ, Election Commission. EU, European Union. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. So these are names of familiar institutions. Next, names of countries. USA, United States of America. UK, United Kingdom. UAE, United Arab Emirates. So all these are abbreviations. Long common phrases. IQ, intelligence quotient. MPH, miles per hour. MPG, miles per gallon. Okay, so all these are examples of abbreviations, right? Next is an exercise is given for you. Expand the following abbreviations or acronyms. So here, what are all the abbreviations and what are all the acronyms? I think you can differentiate. SIM is an acronym, ISRO acronym, WHO acronym, laser acronym, CRY acronym, RAM, ROM acronym, and all the remaining CCTV, HDMI, MRI, CPU, ALU. So these are all abbreviations. So do this yourself. Next, complete the sentences with the correct abbreviations or acronyms from the given list. So here like Philips it is given, you have to pick the abbreviations or acronyms from this box and you have to match it here. Do it yourself. Next one. Okay, I think you can understand this abbreviations, acronyms and contractions. It is very simple to understand. Okay, you can do it very easily. Thank you for watching, ma. Thank you.